What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. Today we are going to tear up the Acura 3.2 TL. As you probably know already, we got this car from Copart for like 860 bucks out the door. That's fees included, out the gate, drove it home. Slight front end collision, nothing major. There's a previous video that I did where I showed you guys the damage. If you want to see it, check it out. And today we're going to replace the headlights. We're going to get this bumper lined up. We're going to switch over the ballasts, which are on the bottom because these are high intensity discharge lights. We're going to try to make this thing look as good as we can so we can get it ready to sell. It's a great car and I'm excited to get it on the road and get it up for sale. Let's get started. All right, so as you can see, the Acura 3.2 TL is back together again. So the car looks great. There's a couple little things that I gotta take care of. Upper motor mount on this side, I'm gonna just get a good one from a junkyard. Gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a detail on the interior. We're gonna DA the exterior, give it a good wax, try to buff it out, make it look as good as we can. And we'll come back and we'll do a final video after I've got it all cleaned up and ready for sale. And if it sells before I have a chance to get the video uploaded, then I will just include the details of the sale in that video as well. So stay tuned for that. I'm really excited. I'm hoping to have this car ready to go this weekend for $2,500. At this point, I'm not really into it anything other than the $860, $133 for the headlights, and about $36 for the tag, and then just my labor. So this thing should fetch a pretty decent profit when we're done with it. I'm almost certain we're gonna get 25 out of it, but stick around for the next video and I'll go over that with you later. Till next time, like, comment, subscribe, and stay safe out there.